Hello and welcome, Soaring Souls. Thank you for being here. I am Marie, fellow yogi, and your host. Today we are going to make crow pose accessible. Let's get right into it. Kakasana prep. We're going to start with cat-cow. So we'll go on our hands and knees with the hands underneath the shoulders, the knees underneath the hips. Inhale, fill the belly, let it sink, look towards the sky, send the tailbone towards the sky. Exhale, round the back, tuck the belly in, tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone. Inhale, round the belly down, roll the shoulders back, look up, roll the tailbone up. Exhale, tilt the pelvis in, engage the low belly, tuck the belly button in and up, round the back shoulders. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, look up to the sky, send the belly low, send the tailbone high. Exhale to neutral spine. And then from here, we'll go to a low boat. So bringing our feet in front. Getting really low. Lift the torso, lift the hands, and lift the feet. Everything real low, engaging the core. Release as needed. Breathe. And when you're ready, come back into it. Lift the core, lift everything slightly low. Reach the fingertips towards the heels. Inhale, release. Exhale, engage. Inhale, release. Exhale, engage. Doesn't have to look pretty, people. Inhale, release. And relax. Let's bring the feet to the mat if that feels right to you, and lift the hips. You can take a bind underneath the hips, shimmy the shoulders underneath the heart space. Lift the belly up tall. We're just stretching out what we just engaged, and release it back down. Hug the knees into the belly. I'm going to take reclined crow. So we'll shift our palms as if we're going to press into the ceiling, and we'll bring the knees up wide on the elbows, on the outsides of the elbows, lifting the hips, lifting the head, lifting the shoulders, tucking the belly, squeezing the knees into the arms. And release it down, take a breath. So maybe you have any shoulder issues, or maybe this is exactly where you stay and continue practicing your crow. This could be your crow pose. So the next stage would be with blocks. We're going to put the blocks underneath our feet. So stepping on the blocks, bringing the hands to the ground, gripping the earth, bringing the knees wide, beginning to add pressure to the arms, letting the arms add pressure back, and then tipping forward as much as you feel comfortable, knowing that you've got the block right under your foot. If you feel like lifting one foot, you can. If it feels right, do both sides. Engage the low core. Maybe try with both feet. Coming back to the blocks whenever you're ready. We're staying with the blocks until you're ready, coming back and releasing it. If you don't have blocks, there's also the option of the forward fold variety. So you walk the feet in, bending the knees, bringing the knees wide to the elbows, the tops of the arms, and just tipping forward until your comfort level. And then the final stage would be gripping the earth, pressing into the mat, finding your engagement through all of the core, bringing the knees wide to the arms, Pressing forward into the hands, lifting the toes. And releasing when you're ready. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to send it to a friend. Thanks so much. Have a great rest of your day. Namaste.